Police were called to a local hotel where a highly intoxicated woman was being obnoxious and causing a disturbance. The encounter did not go well for her.
I grabbed her. We're just trying to verify if she is a guest here. We're trying to accommodate her, tell her, hey, go back up to your room. Call her
Probably like on the scale of like what you should and should not do is like.
She just took off. She fell down a couple times, but now she's back here.
Do not do that shit.
We need to find out if she's a guest here.
Do it!
Nobody recognizes her?
No one recognizes her, but she does have a bracelet.
So usually that means yes, right?
Yeah, that means that she is a guest, but we just need to verify her information.
How are you? You having too much of a good time?
I have a question for you. So
Are you Julia?
What the are you guys like doing right here? Because I'm gonna get the up and leave if I see any more people surrounding this place. And also, like, why are you surrounding me? Like, I've done nothing wrong. And, like, you're watching, like, f***ing people. Like, so, Where am I taking it? Out of here. Get me the f*** out of here. You don't need to sit down. No, get me out of here.
She's single too.
She's allowed to go back in?
Yeah, shit. Oh, shit.
George. 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 You guys can go outside. Okay. Ma'am, you get to go outside.
Excuse me. Wait, I need to talk to my.
Ma'am, you have to go outside. They don't want you to know.
Why the f are you doing this to me?
No, you have to go outside, ma'am. Come on.
What are you doing? I need to talk to my boyfriend.
He's on the way down. He's coming downstairs.
Do you know? How do you know this?
Listen, miss, he's gonna meet you outside. Can
How do
please
you
go
know
outside?
this?
I just talked to him.
Why are we
Sergeant
talking
Tony,
to me?
Jerry's coming right now.
Yes, why are we talking to
Julia,
me?
could you come outside with us? I need you to
Okay,
come outside with
why
us.
are we talking to me?
Please come outside with us, okay?
Why are we talking to me? What have I done? What the f have I f***ing done?
She has to go.
Oh, I'll make it f***ing clear. So give me a f***ing break if I don't give a f***
Okay.
about.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Stop screaming. Stop screaming. If not, you're gonna go to jail. Okay?
Okay.
You are trespassing from this hotel. Listen. No,
Where I'm
listen.
staying here.
No, you're not allowed to stay here. If you come back,
Why the
listen to.
Wait,
Ma'am.
no, excuse me. I'm staying here.
No, no more.
So why? Why?
No more.
Give
You
me
gotta
a
go.
f***ing reason.
They want you off the property, so leave the property.
Give me a
I told
f***ing
you.
reason.
I just told you. You gotta get off the property.
No, you did not
I did.
give me a
Yeah, I did.
reason. You little f***ing. You did not.
Yeah, I did. They don't want you on the property. That's
Okay,
the reason.
so why the reason is they don't want me on the property.
Where's Jerry at?
So please, this is my f***ing boyfriend, right? F***ing
Jerry,
You need to get her.
she has to leave.
Take her out of here.
Yeah, off the property completely.
Off property. Let me get my car.
Okay.
Why the f***?
Hey, Jules. Don't say anything else, please. Please. Otherwise, you're gonna get arrested.
Is there a reason why I can't be kept here on property? I'm just curious. I'm just curious.
They have the right to remove anybody from the
No, but I'm curious.
You don't have to do anything.
No, but I'm serious. I'm
just told you.
curious.
We don't know why. They called us because of whatever disturbance you're causing, and they want you off the property. That's all we know.
Oh, hey,
So that's it.
No,
So your boyfriend's gonna go get your bag and his
that's
bag.
fine. I just am like so, like I'm just like so confused.
Nothing to be confused about.
What am I confused about? Why
No,
the
there's nothing to be confused about.
No, there absolutely is a lot to be confused about. Are you serious? So then you're stupid.
I guess I am.
Yes, that's true. So you're just stupid. That's okay.
Yeah, I guess so.
We like stupid people too. No big deal. Stupid people are people. If we were in an actual world, we'd actually be friends, I think. But
No, I don't think so.
oh,
I don't think so.
okay, Okay, then well then you're just friends with stupid people. I don't like those people either. So f off. Have fun with stupid people. Who the f are you? Who are you? What's your name?
Smith.
I would like to know all of your
Smith.
f***ing names because I'm gonna be f***ing reporting them.
That's great. I just told you my name's Smith.
Yeah, I'm like recording it right now. So
Okay, cool.
Smith, and what's your other name? What's your actual
That's
name?
it. Smith is my name.
No, what's your first name?
You don't need my first name.
I actually f***ing do.
Okay.
I need to know your f***ing first name
I
and
just
your
told you
f***ing
mine.
second f***ing
No, I
name.
don't.
I need to know every f***ing name that it f***ing takes to f***ing... Yes, I f***ing do. I'm recording this shit.
Go ahead.
You guys are f***ing so f***ing lazy. I understand
Thank
that
you.
you guys... No, I understand.
I understand,
like,
yeah. Thank you.
No, I understand that like having you guys as like a proponent is like pretty much like just like a death nail. Because
Cool.
like
Cool story.
anyone in your f***ing like service is going to get f***ed. So f*** you.
We get her off. Wait, she can wait over there across the lobby.
No.
I think we'll have you wait.
No.
Julia, I'm the manager of the hotel.
Tell me how the
We get off property. This is way too distracting.
Let's go across the street.
Wait across the street.
Go across the street.
I need to wait.
Across the street.
Okay, well then push
Across
me.
the street.
Push me.
Come on.
Oh, push me. Across this
God.
fucking street.
And you can
Take
you can get off.
me
You can get off the
fucking
property, or you
across
can
the
go to
street.
jail for trespassing. Is that what you want to do? The street. Go across the street.
Excuse me. Ow!
Hit me.
Ow!
Now you can go to jail. Flipper.
Ow! Ow!
Your arm.
Ow! No! No! Get the f off of me!
Give me your arm.
No!
Your arm.
Get the f off of me! Get the f off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me!
Ready?
Get off of me! Get the f off of me! Stop! Stop!
Get up.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop!
Get up!
Mine was taken, unknown time delay. Out of 5607 in the lobby, last week wearing a black shirt.
You can stand up, or we're gonna pick you
Stand
up.
up.
Stand up, or we're gonna pick you up.
Get up.
Stop it!
Stand up.
Sit up.
Stand up then.
Just get me out of here!
Stand up.
Stand up. You're literally laying on the ground with no pants on. Get up and get in the car. Get up. Get in the car.
You! Get me! No!
Legs up. She's tucked them again. She hit me.
Dumb. Get that you mother dumb.
You gotta pick up her
I
legs.
will
722 to 702.
dumb. Stupid button. I don't give a f. I literally don't give a f.
Well, she's going to jail. I'll tell you that right now.
No doubt.
No, 100%. 100%.
You guys alright?
Yeah.
Just be chill.
Be gentle. She's kicking us and punching us, bro. What do you mean be gentle? I'm sorry. We were very nice to her. We were very nice to her the whole time.
My apologies.
There's no being gentle anymore. It's done.
What could have been a simple trespass and leave the premise event turned into 7 misdemeanor and felony charges. Charges included disorderly conduct, resisting arrest with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, and property damage. If you are going to drink, be sensible.